Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Jeff Coleman at ako po ay kandidato para sa Teniente Gobernador dito sa Pennsylvania. At ako po ay Filipino-American. When my mother Milan immigrated from the Philippines 47 years ago after she married my father, she flew from the Philippines to Alaska in October. The cold, the snow, the wide open spaces were all brand new. But she embraced it all, from the new cuisine to the unfamiliar rituals of high school football and NBA basketball. She grew up in a different world, but she knew all about America because of the stories my grandfather told about his friends, the GIs and soldiers who liberated the Philippines in World War II. They were his heroes. So when she immigrated from the Philippines 47 years ago, there was no end of unfamiliar things, but she already knew about America and about America's promise. My parents' long and enduring marriage is a beautiful witness to the relationship America has with the Filipino. According to a survey, Filipinos love America by an astounding 94% margin. That's special. When our family went back to the Philippines as missionaries in the 1980s, we lived just a few miles from the epicenter of a peaceful revolution, people power, the overthrow of a 20-year dictator who's stolen billions from his own people. When he lost at the ballot box, he refused to leave the palace. But 2 million Filipinos, including many of our friends and neighbors, stood in front of the tanks, kneeling and praying for the election to be upheld. Days later, the dictator was on a plane, out of the country, and the people had a new president because democracy won. Those experiences are why I ran for public office in my early 20s, challenging an incumbent in a district that was overwhelmingly registered in the other party. The people of Armstrong and Indiana counties gave me the privilege of becoming the youngest member of the Pennsylvania House of Representatives and the first Filipino-American elected to serve in the state capitol. I learned from the hard work and joyful tenacity of Filipinos that it only takes one courageous person standing with another brave soul to change the world. And I still believe that. Most people who've met my mom notice the same thing. She's one of the most open, hospitable, loving people you'll ever meet, but she's also a fierce protector of the people she loves. And if you're one of her 2 sons, you can do no wrong. Filipino Americans come from a long line of happy warriors. It was the famous Filipino scout fighting alongside Americans in World War II that drove back the invaders, and Filipino citizens like my Aunt Margie, who served for decades in the U.S. Navy. And it was Filipino nurses and doctors who moved to America in the 1980s to staff the American hospital system during a massive shortage of medical professionals, keeping many hospitals from collapsing. And today, Filipino Catholic priests and nuns are replenishing the ranks of many parishes around the United States, bringing their convictions about the dignity and value of life and family to our own culture. Oh, and keep your eyes peeled for a Filipino restaurant coming to your neighborhood. We just got one near Pennsylvania State Capitol. It's called Lapu-Lapu. And if you can get a seat, you'll never feel more loved and at home because Filipinos know how to host. Look, I owe a lot to both of my parents, and the legacy of family and faith and work and laughter and hospitality that defines my mother's culture. These are my values too. And it would be a privilege in this moment of deep division and disunity to use them to bring the people of Pennsylvania together. We can do this. I've seen it happen. Please consider becoming a founding member of my campaign for Lieutenant Governor at colemanforpa.org. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Thank you, God bless you, and mabuhay.